Hey there, this B likes to watch. Our tadpole 696 tagged me and wanted to hear the sounds of My EDC. So let's just do that. Won't be very exciting, I don't think. It's pretty quiet out here, so I think it'll be okay. Let's see, what do we got? We've got ballpoint pen. Velcro cell phone holster. Cell phone. Can you see it? Makes no noise. Got the SOG. Twitch 2. Got a nice click. Got my other knife. It's my old, I gotta get over here. My old Milwaukee knife that I carry all the time. Got one noise there. Got about $3 in my pocket. They're pretty quiet. Carry a Zippo. Oh yeah. Let's see if we can do this. The sound of my Glock coming out of the holster. Sound of my Glock going back in. The slide. The business part of it. I think that's about it. Oh, another pouch over here with Velcro on it. Spare mag. Gold dots. There you go. That's the sound of My EDC. Be sure and be safe, okay? It's B likes to watch. Take care, Rich.